Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm unstuffing from my envelopes. I have a little list here of things I need to take back to the bank. And then I'm going to do a little cash condensing because I feel like some of my envelopes need that. But first I'm going to start with the unstuffing. I have a couple of things in my wallet I can unstuff. First off, I can do coffee. Let me get a little highlight. I like to highlight and check off. Okay, so for my coffee, whenever I reload, I use the app to pay. So whenever I reload, I do $10 intervals when I reload. So I'll take this out, put it in here. So that way, visually, I have a representation of my money that I'm able to spend. So I only have 2 more reloads left. And then I like to take it back to the bank. So I have the $20. I always put it in here once I've spent the money. And then I will take that back to the bank. So that one's easy because it's pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to highlight it and then check it off. I think I've explained this before at work. This is how I check things off at work. I use my mild liners and I check off because I like to see like it's completely gone off my list, but I don't want to just like completely cross it off. So I like to highlight and check off. To me, it makes sense. So I'm kind of doing the same in here. Okay, the next thing I need to do is eating out. I need 6. I don't think I have 6. I don't have 6, but what I'm gonna do, I have 10. I went to Sonic, so I'm gonna take this 10 here, put this in here. Sometimes I do this with buffer if I need change. And I'm gonna take 6, put this back into eating out, this remaining 4. And then I got the 6. All right, perfect. So that is Sonic. I got one of those like sodas that have sweet cream in them. I don't know. It was good. Although it was like a Dr. Pepper with sweet cream and vanilla, something like that. It was good. But I think I still prefer from Sonic, if you've had the Twisted Flamingo, that's the one I prefer. It's with Sprite. I think they put like some cherry stuff and it's got cream in it too. That one's my favorite so far from those like fun drinks that they have at Sonic. Well, they got lots of fun drinks, but the ones that have like the cream in them, I really like that one. So I did buy one of those when I was out and about shopping. Okay, I think that's it for this wallet. Good on here. Now I have a few things here I need to unstuff. So I have gifts. Sephora, that's the remaining for my niece's gift that I bought her. I need $21 out of here. Because I bought her some perfume and it smells so good. I actually am thinking maybe I need to buy that perfume. It's so good. That one's good. I really don't wear perfume though too much. I wear like a body spray, but that perfume smelled similar to the lotion I use. It's very kind of vanilla-y. I like the Boom Boom cream from Sol de Janeiro, so I use that and I use the spray. It kind of reminded me of that, so very like soft, not overpowering, so I like that. All right, so that's $21 that I needed to take back to the bank. So I'm left with 55. So I'm gonna take 21, left with 55. When I did buy perfume back in the day, I liked Flower Bomb. I'm thinking I might buy that again just because I really like that one a lot. So I might get that. Maybe it's something I'll save for soon. Just like a little spritz. I think will be good. I have 2 more envelopes, which are in my black binder. Okay, black binder. So first one, auto repair, which is right here. I need $101. I went to take my car for an oil change and they rotated my tires too. So that was $101. I don't have a $1 bill, which what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take 100 do I have electronics? Change in here yet? No. Okay, what I'm gonna do just to make it a little bit easy on myself is I will just take, oh no, I don't have buffer over here. I'm just gonna take $1 from eating out. It's fine. So I just don't want to deal with the change right now. Okay, so that's the $1, and then I have 100. Oh, actually I'm gonna do 50s because I'll probably condense this down. So I'll just take the 50s for now. Oh, and then I need to, so that's 101. And then I need to update the tracker from the 1. So I just took 100 from here. Okay, so, well, I'm just gonna put 100 because I didn't take 1 from here and I don't wanna mess up the math. So it should be 325 now. So that's 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 325. But yeah, I took my car in for an oil change, and then they rotated my tires, and everything else is perfection on my car. It's all good. I always like getting that, like when they tell you everything on your car is good, like don't have to worry about it, because it just makes me feel more comfortable driving my car. I always worry because I was in a relationship for quite some time, and he took care of my car, like all the things on my car, changing or rotating my tires, doing the oil changes, the brakes, everything that I needed to do on my car. He handled that, and he told me when to do these things. And I remember when like the first year that I was no longer with him, my tires started going bald, and I didn't know. I had no idea. And I drove to work. Thankfully, it was really early in the morning on a toll road, so not a lot of people on there. And my tire blew. And when I took it to the tire place, they were like, all your tires are bad. They're all bad. So they all had to be replaced. And ever since then, I've just been a little bit more, trying to be more on top of things like that, because I don't want that to happen. Like I said, thank goodness it happened on a toll, and I didn't have like any cars near me since it was super early in the morning. So there weren't a lot of cars. It was very easy to get across, and it wasn't like a huge issue, like no issue. It was scary, but not as bad as it could have been. But I don't ever want that to happen like on the 405 on a regular freeway. That would be a nightmare. That would be terrifying. So I always make sure, like, trying to learn how to notice things like that on my own, since I had like 15 years of not having to worry about any of that stuff for like the longest time. So thankfully, sometimes my coworker, I can go and ask him like, hey, can you check my tires really quick? Or there was this one time that my car, the tire pressure light, that's like the one thing I know how to do, is putting air in my tires. Like the air light was on, like kept turning on even though I kept putting air in, and it was like good. And I couldn't figure out why I kept doing that, because it wasn't cold. It was during summer, so it wasn't like the car was cold and the lights turning on. So I knew something was wrong with my tires. And so I had him check my tires, my coworker, and then he found a nail in my tires. So that was the issue. So then I had to get it. I think I got it patched, or did I get a new one? I can't remember. No, I got it patched and then I got a new one. So yeah, sometimes I have to do that. But now I'm trying, I'm learning how to be more aware of these things. So it makes me happy when I don't have to worry about these things until the next checkup, basically. Sorry, long story just to explain that. Especially now that my car it's getting older, but it's still in really good condition. I just got a new paint job on it, thankfully, because Toyota paid for that, because there was a defect on it, or a recall on it. So they basically repainted my whole car, but it always looked good to begin with. But yeah, everything's good on my car. So I'm hoping to have it for a very long time. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that because, yeah, now that I have to take care of it on my own, I don't have somebody basically telling me like, hey, you need to do this, hey, you need to do that. I've been a little bit, sometimes I get a little bit nervous about it. 20, 40, 60, 80. So electronics, I need 85, but I don't have 85. I have 81. So I need $4. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to split this electronics one into 2 envelopes. So sometimes what I do with my envelopes is I will say I don't, like in this instance, I don't have enough. Like I have 81, but I need 85. So what I'll do is I'll take my spending money, because my spending money can be spent on anything, whatever I want. Even if I have an envelope for it, I will use this to spend from. So I'm going to take this 20. Okay, so let's do the math on this. So I'm going to put this 20 with this. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'll just give myself $15 back. 10, 15. Right? That's 100 minus 85 is 15. Yes. I'm going to put this back into spending. And I'm just going to leave $1 in electronics. We're not going to completely deplete it, but it'll get $1. So I basically took 80 from here and then took the 5 from my spending envelope just to cover the difference. That way I'm not short on my in my bank account. I don't want to be short on my bank account, so I want to put back what was supposed to go back. Okay, so electronics has 1. All right, so that one is all good. All right, that is everything. Not too bad of a list of things. Had some large amounts, so glad that's going back. So I should have 233 now that I have condensed or unstuffed everything. So let's see how much I have. So I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 33. So 233, that is correct. All right, so that's all going back to the bank, just into my checking, I believe. Yeah, all of this is just going back into the bank because I spent it. Now what I'm going to do is condense. Condensing the envelopes. Auto repair, I think I already... I'm going to add another. I'm not going to worry about that one. I feel like I have other envelopes that need to be condensed more. This one has no, this one has $1. This one, emergency. I need hundreds. That one's good. Extra savings, maybe. I have, I'm about to take this back to the bank, so I don't want to worry about that one. 83 and furniture. I could do a 50. You know what? I kind of want to leave this. Sorry, I'm just not sure what I want to do. Okay, I'm going to do 20 here. I'm going to go actually, I'm going to stop with this binder. I actually want to focus on this one first, and then I'll come back to the black one. So I feel like I should put the larger amounts in my savings, this one right here, because this one's starting to get pretty full. Yeah. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'm going to take those two 50s. That helps to condense that down. And then I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm actually going to do the 20. All right, that was a better idea to condense that. All right, and then the other one I have is this one, which isn't as full, but no, that one's good. Okay, this one will be fine for now. And all these other ones, I could maybe do this one. No, okay. These are all good. The other ones I don't want to touch, so I'm going to leave those as they are. And then I will go back to this binder now. Okay, so I was at furniture, so that one's good. Rainy day. That one looks good. That one's good. That one's good. 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 These are all good. Maybe this one. Yeah. Okay, so I will do 10 here. So I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 210. Okay. So that is the black binder. Then I'll go into this one next. Okay, I can do a 10 here. So that's 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, This money feels so fake. Even though it's not fake, it just feels fake because it's so crispy. So that's 54. Clothing is good. Content. That one looks pretty good too. Costco. That one looks good. Family. That one's good. Gifts is good. Home is good. Household. That one's good. And Target is good. Okay. Next, I'm going to go into this pink one. Maybe go wild. Nope, I need hundreds. Next time I'm going to get hundreds to condense this a little bit more. I need to plan ahead for that. Disneyland. That one's good too. Okay. Fun. So many 20s apparently. That one's good. Hobbies is good. Okay. I only have 2 more. Sorry, this is like a very pretty non-eventful cash condensing apparently. Okay, I got some here. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I threw 20 in here. That's good. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so that's 61 in Christmas. My tracker's wrong. My tracker's wrong. Oops. Okay, that's fine. I'm over $1. I'd rather be over than under, so that's fine. I don't know what happened there, so I'll have to fix it later. Okay, I could do a 20. 10, 15, 20. And I have 22. I'm sorry, 42. My goodness, 42. Great. All right, and then these are staying as they are. Okay, I'm just gonna double check, make sure I still have 233 over here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Perfect. All right, so I have 233 here, and that is all going back to the bank. Perfect. All right, so thank you so much for watching as I unstuffed and condensed my envelopes. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.